Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Just going to be showing you what I'm going to be doing now. This is me Japanese Anemone. It's finally gone over. I've had some cold nights. The leaves have just started turning. I'll leave it till they get to this stage, and then I should be starting to cut it back. One thing about this, once you do get it, this was a cutting off one of my neighbours. It was only a little plant, a couple inches big, about 2 years ago. As you can see, it spreads like wildfire. So I'm going to be cutting it right like this, and then come the spring I shall dig it up, divide it, put some in pots and put some in other places in my garden. So this is what I'm using, my little hand shears and my little snips, just to get it right in there. So yeah, let's get cracking. Sorry about that. Just get this set up for you, sorry about this. Yep, just get in there. All you need to do is get right down to a couple of inches above ground level. Like so. You don't have to be precise with it. Tidy it up and get rid of all the dead and down foliage. Creating something with stuff like this breeds disease. So yeah, clear everything around the down of the plant once it's all been cut back. Yeah, now I've cut it back, all I'm to then is just get behind it. Pull it right back. Anything that you've missed, go back in there, give it another shot. But as you can see, I've got two main crowns there. One there, and a little one starting there. I'll dig these up in the spring, split them into probably 4 down the middle like a cross, and then transplant them. But the reason you want to be nice and neat and tidy, you don't want to encourage pests or diseases, so you want to really get in there, really get all shifted, all this dead material. Like so. I'll get the rake on that and get it raked, get all the rest of the dead material, and then get some more cut back there. Any offshoots, like I said, leave them till the spring and dig them up and transplant them to wherever you want in the garden. So that's how to prune back your Japanese anemones. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask. If you like my videos, folks, please subscribe. Remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and keep safe. Bye.